Good morning.
Hello.
Hannah's at the wheel this morning, driving us. We've just left Pismo Beach. We stayed at the hotel, the Hilton Garden Inn at Pismo Beach for one night as a little stop on the Pacific Coast Highway road trip. So this morning we are on our way to Los Angeles. We're going to take the day, take it nice and chilled. We've just left Pismo Beach and we're on the way to Santa Barbara now for some brunch. So we'll show you where we stop there. The food looks incredible, by the way. Then we're going to make our way down to Malibu, spend a few hours there, chill out on the beach before heading into Los Angeles and doing Santa Monica Beach, Santa Monica Pier and Venice Beach, and just exploring there before we drop our car back and we get an Uber to our hotel this evening, where we're going to be staying there for 4 or 5 nights, I think, at the Garland for our LA part of the honeymoon. So we'll see you when we get there. We're here in Santa Barbara. It's a lovely little place, isn't it? It's got palm trees, massive beach, big old pier. Properly how I expect California to be. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Little sea there.
Yeah. We are here at Finney's Crafthouse and Kitchen, which is in Santa Barbara, just off the wharf, a short walk from the beach. So we've just finished at Finney's brew house and kitchen. What did you think?
Really, really nice. Better food than we've had, I thought.
Yeah, it was a good little find. It was a little win. We had the pepperoni pizza with hot honey, which was gorgeous. With the chicken and waffles with like a, what was it? Maple butter, which was really, really nice. And we had some cheesesteak egg rolls, which were nice, but they're probably least favourite dish, weren't they?
Yeah.
We shared. Had a nice beer and a Diet Coke, which was very refreshing. Would definitely recommend. It was very busy, so we had wait times. I think we got lucky. And then we just went for a nice walk up the pier, where there's a nice little ice cream shop and a little souvenir shop.
Those restaurants.
And loads of restaurants. They seemed quite posh though, didn't they?
Yeah.
So certainly for an evening.
Fancy.
Yeah, but it'd be quite nice in an evening. Wish we would have stayed here, I think. But yeah, lovely buildings, really nice people, no problems, no issues. It's a stunning place. I'd like to live it, to be fair.
Yeah.
One day, maybe. Right, on to the next stop, which is
Malibu.
Malibu. See you there. Hello. We made it to Los Angeles, the Santa Monica Pier. What's the weather like?
Cloudy.
Very cloudy, for no reason at all. It's quite cold, that's why we've got our jumpers on. But here we are, as you can see, Santa Monica Pier. A very cloudy day. Albeit, it is about 5 and 6 in the evening.
Hoping for better weather tomorrow.
Yes, fingers crossed.
You know, can't complain.
No.
Because we're here.
And then we've got to drop off our rental car at the airport before getting an Uber to our hotel. It's the Santa Monica Route 66 sign. The end of the trail.
Get a photo from here.
Yeah.
We have just finished at Santa Monica Pier. We parked in the short stay parking, which was good because it was $2 for 2 hours.
Yeah.
We didn't really need any more.
About a 20-minute walk, wasn't it? To the pier.
Yeah, about a 20-minute walk to the pier, and it was nice to walk along the beach. There's still very busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Considering it's cloudy. It's not
Yeah.
too cold though, to be fair.
No. What did you think about it, the pier?
Yeah, it was okay. It's obviously historic, isn't it?
It was cool to see it.
Yeah.
And I'm happy we've been seeing it and done it. But
Probably wouldn't rush back.
no. It's nice to say we've been. But
Probably
it was,
good if you've got kids and stuff. It's nice to have a little walk around. There is lots going on, isn't there? Like,
yeah. Probably a little bit underwhelming because I was quite looking forward to it.
yeah, but it was nice just to have a little walk around. But yeah, probably wouldn't rush back. But we are gonna drive now to Muscle Beach because you want to go, don't you?
Yeah, Venice Beach, do the boardwalk, just see that, and then head off.
To drop our car back up at LAX. So we'll let you know how it goes at Muscle Beach.
Hey.
We have just finished at Venice Beach. We were there for a grand total of about 10 minutes, I think.
At a push.
Yeah. It's a little bit sketchy.
Yeah.
Everybody looks like they're trying to scam you or steal from you.
It's not a place that I felt safe.
No. So you saw the little gym that you wanted to see,
Muscle Beach.
and then we quickly headed back to our car. So yeah, I don't think it's somewhere that you would take your family. Might be nicer in the day, like when it's sunny.
More people about, more
people-
tourists.
Yeah, more tourists about.
We've come at about 6:30 in the evening,
Yeah.
and let's put it this way: if we bring our family one day, I won't be coming back here. It's good to have been, good to have seen Muscle Beach, but yeah, I couldn't really get out of there quick enough.
But yeah, just about to drop the car off now. He's going to get some fuel from somewhere. And yeah, drop the car back off at LAX, and then we'll be going to our hotel, which is the Garland. So we'll do a little room tour there, and then we're probably going to head to City Walk for some dinner. And then it is Universal Day tomorrow, so we're looking forward to that, aren't we?
Very
Can't
much so.
wait.
Alright.
And we'll take you along there as well. So yeah, we will see you soon.
Nice little seating area. Place to hang your kits. Bathroom, very nice. Toilets. A nice large shower. With a rainfall shower. Nice king size bed. Loads of space either side. Nice big TV, wardrobe space with a desk. Everything we need. We also have a balcony. Just got into the hotel late, so we've ordered a Wingstop using Uber One. We've been to the 7-Eleven to get some drinks because they were very expensive for Wingstop, and some afters, so we'll see how that is. The Wingstop order, got the fries, which tastes amazing. Got 2 cheese sauce dips. Got some boneless wings there in the garlic parmesan and sweet chili. The mango habanero new tenders, along with the hot honey rub.